Hello, namaskar, namaskara, everyone. Hello, Shankarji. That energy you bring with your voice, and like Purbayanji said, Bandish Bandits is rocking on Amazon Prime for sure. The earth has music for those who listen, said Shakespeare long ago. We have experienced this in the last 4 months most clearly. With a prayer, Loka Samastha Sukhino Bhavantu, let's all begin. A warm welcome to Sangam 2020. A record number of registrations has made this extremely special. Though technology has brought us all together at this moment from the different parts of the world, truth be said, meeting each of you face to face is altogether a completely different experience. Therefore, to make sure that you have an interaction with your Mahaguru, you will be moved to a panelist after your performance. And the question that has been selected, that person gets to interact with Shankarji, while the rest of you can definitely see him face to face. Sangam 2020 is special because it has 4 sessions to cover all the time zones from east to west. This is proof of how SMA has spread across all continents except the Antarctic, spreading our arms wider to welcome all 78 countries to be part of this journey. We have made this digital edition extremely special. Sangam is also always about energy created through pure music, immaterial of the age group. This will be on this time too. And I'm sure with so many of you, the onus of keeping the energy up is ours altogether. So every time, please remember your performance is done. The performers will be moved to panelists, though muted, and the one whose question is selected will be unmuted for the interaction. Our guest of honor has already joined us, the sitar maestro Purbayan Chatterjee, an artist who has spent more than 2 decades in the world of music. Honored to have you with us, sir. Thank you so much for joining us well on time. For the rest of you who are curious, well, the masterclass with Purbayanji is the highlight of the session, so stay tuned. Good morning, Karthik. How have you been?
Hey Rashmi, good morning. I'm doing good. Namaste Shankarji and a very warm welcome to our guest of honor, Purbayanji. I also welcome each and everyone who has joined us here on YouTube and Facebook. Like you rightly said, Rashmi, technology has indeed connected us and brought us all together. When it comes to technology, SMA, we are always one step ahead. This Sangam, we are spreading the joy of music to close to 8 million people by connecting with them on YouTube and Facebook. Isn't that amazing?
Oh, yes, it is. But you know what? With technology, there could be lags. So kindly bear with us and yes, be patient. It'll be definitely worth it.
The Shankar Mahadevan Academy has had a great journey and a very eventful one. So let's take a look.
On my mobile phone, I'd put down there, okay, let me discuss 1, 2, 3, these points. When I reached and I met Sridhar in Mumbai in a hotel, you won't believe me. Sridhar had written down 3 points, and those were exactly the 3 points that I had written down in my phone.
Pamarisa da pa pamamarisa ni sari gama pa sari gama pa da pama pa da pani sari sari gama risa
oyaliya sagama pama padani sagani sani da pama gama garisa oyaliya
da pama ni da pama ga pama gari gasa ga pama gari gasa.
Lovely. I mean, from where to San Francisco to Johannesburg to Chicago to Seattle to Aligarh. Amazing.
We Indians are everywhere, right? And Indian music has to go everywhere.
The minute you mention classical music, people's expressions used to change. Oh my God, classical music. No, I don't want to touch that. So that's why we designed these small modules. So you feel that there are small bridges that you have to cross. Finish that 12 weeks. So it's almost like passing through different levels of a video. I believe, and I'm sure that you also believe, if we do not have good teachers, we don't have an academy.
And for this, we've instituted the teacher certification course, which tells them how to hone their craft and understand the science of teaching so that they can cater to every student, understanding the student, the interests, the age, the ability level, and teach according to what each student needs and wants.
I think the OM book has been like, a God's gift, because they have examples of ma'am and other musicians also singing these pieces, and certain phrases, alaps, etc. You can look at them and get an idea of how to base your improvisations off of.
Some of the things that stood out and really helped me in SMA were the assignments, first of all, because I think the way in which all the assignments have been structured, it really makes a student think. A student really has to go deep into the rag, think about there's so many. I mean, I was actually shocked to see one of the questions, create a mood board for Rag Marwa. I was like, wow.
To be the Harvard of music worldwide. Then the brilliant Shankar Mahadevan came up with 3 really simple words that defines our mission. And that goes across society, across boundaries, across everything. Joy of music.
So the first requirement is आ बोलना है. Second thing is ये आवाज़ जो है ना यहाँ से नहीं यहाँ से आनी पड़ती है. So ये आवाज़ नहीं so if you practice saying ha for a couple of months and then just take away that ha bit, फिर जो टेक्सचर रह जाती है ना, वो आकार के लिए सही टेक्सचर है. हा आ so ha, then without the ha, ha, then मैं बारी बारी जाऊंगी बेदम प्यार, मैं बारी बारी जाऊंगी.
मोरे नैना बहाए नीर, मोरे नैना बहाए नीर, सखी का करूं मोरा जिया ना माने, का करूं मोरा जिया ना माने. नैना मोरे नैना बहाए नीर, मोरे नैना.
Wow. I thought that it's sounding like two ragas merging into one. Is this true? It's
Yes,
two ragas
yes.
merging into
There
one?
are two ragas. Can you identify the two ragas?
That's the quiz now.
Well, Shankarji, seeing this joy of music spreading so far and wide, I'm sure for you now it's a dream come true. The brand ambassador, the inspiration behind the Shankar Mahadevan Academy, we request you to say a few words and inaugurate this year's Sangam.
Good morning, everybody. Wishing everybody from all over the world who have joined in, who are watching, who are participating, who are teaching, who are part of the support team, the technical team, the staff, all of y'all, a wonderful Sangam 2020. Yeah, I mean, this is a perfect example of the phrase, the show must go on. But I'd like to add two more words to this and say, the show must go on, and how? You know, okay, before we go ahead, let me sing something for y'all, okay? Because I think it's a beautiful morning. Without the Lord's blessings, nothing is possible. So let's sing a small prayer. Vakratunda Mahaka Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakarishu Sarvada Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Praying for everybody's safety, praying for everybody's happiness, peace, and I'm sure this time will also pass and the human race will come out victorious. Anyway, to where I was coming, Shankar Mahadevan Academy What a journey it's been. And again, today, we have all assembled here to celebrate this wonderful event which all of us look forward to. You know, normally we all meet in Bangalore, and students from all over the world, they come, teachers come, all the staff, all the team, the entire team, Sridhar, me, our families, children, we all meet, and we experience. It's almost like a big wedding that happens. Of course, I mean, you win some, you gain some, you lose some. We are missing that, physical presence, but hey, there's a lot that we have gained too. Can you imagine? These are for the people who are viewing us from all over the world, from the various platforms where we are telecasting this. Do you know the number of artists who are going to perform today and tomorrow put together? It's over 300 artists are performing. Now, this is not possible in a, what can I say, in a physical environment. And the Shankar Mahadevan Academy, the number of students in this period, which is a tough period for the human race, where people say, our thing is not working out, our businesses are shut, this thing is, we've closed down, etc., etc., etc. Do you know the students in the Shankar Mahadevan Academy have not doubled, have not tripled, have not quadrupled. The number of students have become 5 times. That is the achievement. So that's what I'm saying. This is the perfect example of the show must go on and how. Today, I'm so happy that we are all meeting from all corners of the world and making a statement that we are going to celebrate Sangam, and this will be bigger than any of the Sangams that we have ever done. All thanks to, once again, when it comes to Shankar Mahadevan Academy, I'd like to always thank only one person, always, again and again and again. And that is my dear brother, my partner, my co-founder, and the inspiration behind this academy, Sridhar Ranganathan. Without him, nothing is possible. I think the people should see you, Sridhar. Is there any way you can come on screen and people should see you? There he is. Oh my God. You're looking amazing in that kurta, man. Superb.
Thank you.
Anyway, so yeah, I mean, looking forward to this amazing morning, evening, afternoon, depending on whichever part of the world you are in.